Come back with me on the Noodles channel. Before we start, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell. Protecting the public's health and non-smokers from secondhand smoke. For non-smokers, secondhand smoke, commonly referred to as ambient tobacco smoke or passive smoking, has serious health concerns. Although the negative effects of smoking on one's own health are widely known, secondhand smoke has equally concerning effects on non-smokers. This article examines the risks associated with secondhand smoke exposure and stresses how crucial it is to create smoke-free spaces in order to safeguard people's health as well as the general public's. Secondhand smoke's hazards. A complex mixture of chemicals, many of which are harmful and carcinogenic, are present in secondhand smoke. Non-smokers are exposed to a number of health concerns when they breathe in these contaminants. Research has connected secondhand smoking to lung cancer and heart disease in adults, as well as to respiratory infections, asthma, and SIDS in infants. Since the negative impacts are most severe in youngsters and expectant mothers, it is critical to address this public health issue in its entirety. The effect on non-smokers. Due to involuntary exposure, non-smokers, particularly those who live with smokers or in close proximity to smoking situations, are at higher risk for health problems. Youngsters that are around secondhand smoke are more susceptible to lung development problems, ear infections, and respiratory disorders. Preterm birth and low birth weight are two negative pregnancy outcomes that pregnant women who are exposed to passive smoking may face. The value of cigarette-free environments. Establishing smoke-free spaces is essential for protecting the health of non-smokers and advancing general public health. Smoke-free laws at places of employment, residences, and public areas assist lessen secondhand smoke exposure and lessen its harmful consequences. These laws not only shield people from direct health dangers but also support a more widespread cultural movement away from tobacco use. Smoke-free laws have proven effective in promoting healthier communities, reducing smoking rates, and motivating smokers to give up. Societies may establish areas where everyone can breathe clean air and be free from the negative effects of secondhand smoke by putting certain regulations into place and enforcing them. In conclusion, millions of people worldwide are impacted by secondhand smoking, which is more than just a minor annoyance. It is our common duty to recognize the hazards of passive smoking and to actively promote smoke-free surroundings. We can improve the general well-being of our communities by making non-smoking areas healthier and safer through education, awareness campaigns, and the enforcement of strict smoke-free policies.